Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by stopping voice use immediately to prevent further injury. This reduces vibration and lets swollen tissues settle. Next, sip 250-500 ml warm water slowly and avoid dehydrating drinks like coffee or alcohol because they thin secretions. Once resting, do a 0.5 teaspoon salt gargle or inhale warm steam for 10 minutes to loosen mucus and soothe the throat. These first actions lower inflammation and preserve vocal, fold tissue, so subsequent therapy will work more effectively. Once your throat feels less raw, you shift to therapeutic exercises that rebuild healthy vibration without strain. Start with gentle humming for 5-10 minutes to reintroduce phonation while minimizing contact forces on the folds. Then use semi-occluded vocal tract exercises such as straw phonation in 3-5 sets of 5 breaths. These balance subglottic pressure and lessen collision. Make sure to pair every exercise with diaphragmatic breathing and upright posture. 5 slow cycles to optimize airflow and reduce compensatory tension in the neck and jaw. To finish, gradually resume normal speaking with short, low-intensity sessions of 10-15 minutes while monitoring for pain or worsening hoarseness. Stop and rest immediately if symptoms spike. Make sure to maintain humidification at about 40-60% and avoid whispering, which paradoxically increases vocal fold collision. If hoarseness persists beyond 3 weeks or you notice pain, bleeding, or breathing difficulty, consult an ENT and a speech-language pathologist promptly. A quick troubleshooting tip: if voice worsens with an exercise, stop and rest for 24 hours before.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.